And today, we're gonna look at properties like this. 4 units, 1 roof, 4 garages, 4 separate meters. California real estate doesn't get better than this. Let's go. All right, you guys, back in the States, we're looking at multifamilies. Multifamily is 1 roof, 2 units. And typically what I like to take a look at is how the utilities are set up. Where's the water meter? How many water meters? Also, if we're gonna look at the electrical and gas, for this, as you can see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. But over here on this building that we're taking a look at, they have 2. So that means that this is a duplex and these are individually metered, which is great. That means that's less I'm paying out of pocket. So there's a unit here that's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. You have the same 2 bed, 1 bath. And this is in Oakland, West Oakland to be exact. So if you're renting a place in Oakland, that's 2 bed, 1 bath, roughly 1,000 square feet. This is what it looks like. If you're renting a unit like this, would rent out for $2,750. 2 bed, 1 bath in Oakland. Nice tile work in the bathroom. They have laminate flooring. It's really bright in here, which is great. Lets in a lot of light. Wall heater, which is gonna be powered by gas. This is the backyard. There you go, back space area. Looks like it's 2 storage units there. You can definitely include that in the rental price. The plan would always be to buy one of these, rent out one of the units, live in one of the units, eventually pay down your mortgage, create some equity when you move out, and whatever you net from this, you can use that to subsidize the mortgage on your new home. Or you can use that passive income maybe to live somewhere else in the world. As long as you start early, pay down your mortgage, you service your tenants, take care of your building, eventually there will be no loan balance. They'll be free and clear, and you'll be racking in over $7,000 a month. That's the play. On to the next one. Okay, so these 2 buildings owned by the same person. You have 2 units there, 2 bed, 1 bath, and I believe these are all 1 bed, 1 bath. 5 units here, freeways here. 1 bed, 1 bath, 1 bed, 1 bath. I believe that one is already occupied. Looks like you enter that unit through the screen door, and it's right here. And then we'll take a look at the vacant unit. That's downtown Oakland. That's gonna take you 980 West. That'll take you the opposite way to the city. Goal will be the same here. Buy all the units. That's $1.2 million. You're getting 7 units. How much is that per unit? Let's take a look. So you're buying each unit for $171,000, and each one of these units is gonna rent for at least $2,300. So $2,300 by 7 units, 16 times 12. So these units, this building is bringing in almost $200,000 a year. That's not bad. Eventually, the loans will be paid off, and that'll be free and clear, $193,000 a year. That's $16,000 a month in West Oakland. 5 units here and a duplex over there. Can't go wrong. You can even live in one of these units. There's many ways to skin a cat, and this might be one of them. You buy 7 units for 1.2. You bring in $16,000 a month. You pay them off. You live off those funds. It's like, this is how you literally buy the block right here. This building is also individually metered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Electrical and 1 water. All right, on to the next one. Bro, I'm turning, bro, chill. Over here recording Oakland. Chillax. Oh, wow, it's right here. It's another option for you guys. This is listed under 400K. Everything's negotiable. May even be able to get this for 300K. This is by Joey Wang. Shout out to you, Joey. Let's take a look at this. This one has 2 units, separately metered, built in 1904. Looks like they threw some paint in the interior, but probably have to rip out these carpets. Definitely want to rent out these carpets, depending if you're gonna live here or not. But this is a 2 bed, 1 bath. It's not bad. And remember, the goal is to live in one of these and rent out the other. And at this price point, your mortgage may be all of $3,000. And this one's bringing in $4,000 roughly. I'm sure all you gardeners would know what to do with this area. But look at this. Who says the Bay Area is not affordable? Under 400,000. The 1 bedroom is up there, but I couldn't get in. Another opportunity in the Bay. We're gonna take a look at a 4 unit, go over the cost, the unit breakdown. Oh, look, it's right here. This is the one. Okay, we're in the Diamond District 2550, that move, street. Perfect for an owner occupant. 4 units, 2 bed, 1 bath, 1 bed, 1 bath. And then the owner's unit is actually a 3 bed, 2 bath. But the owner split it and now it shows as a 2-1 and a 1-1. 4 bedrooms. This is great for you to live in a unit and rent out the other 3 and live rent free. Let's take a look. Let's check the meters. So it looks like there's one. There's 1 water meter and we're in Oakland, so it has to be sewer lateral compliant. They run a line from the middle of the street to wherever the clean out is. We could take a look at one of the units, the owner's unit. Start with the laundry room. Gotta love coin-op laundry. That means as a landlord, you make a little bit more change. Huge water heater. So here's the layout. Looks like there's 1 unit here. I'm not gonna distract the tenants. You never wanna distract your tenants. Another unit here. Let's say that unit is a 2-1 down there. That one brings in $1,250. Let's say we have another 2-1 that brings in $2,000. Those 2. So we have one bringing in $1,250, even though because of the 2-1 it could probably bring in a lot more. Plus another $2,000. It's $5,500. So this building roughly brings in $60,000 a year. And so this is interesting. There's 3 units up top. We counted that. Now this is actually 1 big unit. But yeah, this unit is huge. This is the owner's unit. This is the owner's unit right here. It's huge. And keep in mind, the unit that we're gonna go to next door is actually part of this unit. Now this is listed at $1,250,000. Based on the condition, this setup, you having to break down this whole wall, I bet there's room for negotiations. There's room for negotiating, should I say. Now, this is actually part of that unit over there that we just walked through. As you can see, huge kitchen. Bedrooms. This is considered a fixer. Speaking with the agent, they didn't know if there was water damage because water was leaking at some point through the, I believe the kitchen had a big leak. So they removed the sink, removed the toilet. And this property here is a great opportunity. Like I said, we're in the Diamond District. You have 4 units. You have this huge owner's unit. That's really a 3 bed, 2 bath that they split into a 2-1 and a 1-1. And then out here, you have this interesting sunroom. They have the turf, but this is definitely a vibe if you do it right, in my opinion. And then you can step outside, and keep in mind, this is all part of the owner's unit. I don't know what you would make this space. If you did it right, you have your own little private oasis back here. And actually up top, they have their own balcony as well. So yeah, this patio area is really nice outside the main unit. You know me, I'm looking for the electrical and gas and trash. This would be a great way for a homeowner or someone that wants to be a homeowner to buy this, renovate. You may have to buy with a 203K loan and then refi into a normal loan just because of the current condition. If you were to rip down that wall and this entire space was 1 unit, that's a heck of an owner's unit. Throw your own washer and dryer in here. Definitely get rid of that kitchen. And this building brings in a little over $5,000 a month. It needs a little bit of TLC, but outside of that, it's a great opportunity. Of course, I would never leave you without seeing the meters. 4, 5. I'll tell you what happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was a 4 unit building originally. What they did, they have a 5th unit, which is just the house meter. So that's gonna be for all the exterior lights. I love the neighborhood too. Great walking tour. And on to the next one. This is a great opportunity in Oakland, California, Diamond District. We're in the Glenview neighborhood of Oakland. So this neighborhood, this is what you would consider a $1 million neighborhood. Larger house, you can get up to 1.5, 1.7, fully renovated. And we're gonna take a look at another 4 unit up here, 1424 Hampel Street. Very nice neighborhood, Upper Diamond District. And actually, there's the building there. So this is one of the 1 bed, 1 baths. Lights off, 870 square feet. This is a 1925 build, so the cabinets, they didn't redo the cabinets. Looks like they redid some of the countertops. So you could add your own touch to this one, especially if you want to take down walls and make it an open floor concept. It'll definitely feel more inviting. I don't know how much more you would receive in rents if you did that, but definitely if you did a complete rehaul and updated not just this unit, but the next, you could increase the rents. And this is the second unit. It looks the same. They're identical. Upstairs is the same as well. Those are being rented out. You have your formal dining room. Your has your partially dated kitchen. These countertops haven't been redone. Those have. And of course, that tile had to be from about 1920 to 1940. I see it all the time. A great sized bedroom, especially for Glenview in Oakland. This is a 4-unit opportunity. And of course, we're gonna go take a look outside and take a look at the meters. It's beautiful, feels serene. Lots of trees. I hear no donuts. Good Oakland, California. Well, this is a great area in Oakland. A lot of people don't get to see this side of Oakland. Oh wow, that's the garage. Wow, okay, that's 2 full garages. As expected, electric. We have 4, and then we have a 5th for the house meter for all exterior lights. 4 units. Call Jerry.